The bill didn't even come.
My uncle was upset. He goes, excuse me, where's the bill? She goes, oh, no. He paid when he walked in. The next time we go to eat, the bill doesn't come again. My dad goes, I was watching you. You didn't pay when we walked in. Where's the bill? My uncle goes, I called in, my credit card number is done. The next time we go to eat, my dad is sitting there and the bill comes. He forgets to reach for it. My uncle grabs it. I beat you. And my uncle gave the credit card and the lady walked away. And then the lady came back. She looked at my uncle and said, sir, your credit card isn't working. My uncle looked at my dad and goes, what did you do? Without missing a beat, my dad goes, I canceled your credit card.